The marketing strategy at Amazon is built around the principles of putting the customer experience first. Techniques like search engine optimization and video marketing influence Amazon ranking to favor your products and display them on the first page. These key tactics will help you to transform your target audience into potential buyers. Study shows that the essential Amazon product listing videos can increase the buying rate up to 85%, convince almost 50% of buyers in purchasing your products, boost your conversion rates and sales, contribute to the 160% increase in organic traffic. Hello, this is Adin from Ecomclips. In this video, we are going to discuss the video formats to keep in mind while creating the Amazon listing videos. Watch the video till last and learn to pick the best video formats for your Amazon listing videos. Let's start. Understanding what video formats works best for your product is key to producing great product videos. Here are some commonly used video styles to get you started. Close-up of products. These videos can be as simple or as complicated as you desire. Think about the experience of interacting with the product in a storefront and try to recreate the feeling. How-tos. You can highlight unique features and answer frequently asked questions to ensure that potential customers clearly understand the value of your product. Installation guides. If your product appears to be complex to customers, making videos that explain to them exactly how to install it can be a game changer. Unboxing. If your product comes in a unique packaging, making a video to show them off appeals to the customers who are looking to know what they will get when they buy your product. Customer feedback. This format is designed to allow customers to observe how the product is used by others. It helps the customer to understand what they are in for. That's all from this video. One tip, always keep your videos to 1 minute or less. Always assume that potential customers will not watch your videos to the way through. While nothing beats a customer experience your product directly, watching a video gets the closest to that feeling of discovery and connection. Start creating a product video if you want to provide an exceptional experience to your listing and boost your conversion rates. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. To create professional videos for your products, you can contact via our website www.ecomclips.com. The link will be added in the description. For regular video like this, please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next videos. Thank you.